Hi, come and install this wig with me. I already put my ends on braids, so let's get started. But let's put on this wig.
Wow, the pressure is getting worse.
ASMR.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just put the record.
I somewhat have one side down. Let's try and do the other side. This is where we are now. I know that it is not a middle path. I'm gonna change the middle path because I cannot change the placement right now. I'm gonna try and sit this with a silk scarf, and then I'm gonna try to style the wig a bit more.
If they like with the job, but the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do your one time, I'll be for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Man, no be God. Make them they talk. I saw they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question,
Bombastic side eye.
no get the answer. Question.
Okay, so this is the final product. I don't think I did too bad of a job, honestly.
Great.
So yeah, I think this has been my best install so far, to be honest. And yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, like the video, comment there if you have any tips for me, because I am still a beginner and I still have a lot to learn. But yeah, this is what it's giving around the back. And yeah, very nice.
No get the answer.